LG refrigerator water filter. The water your loved ones drink every day. Is it really safe? Water can contain heavy metals, pesticides, and chemical compounds, and microplastics. That's why NSF certified LG Genuine filters are essential. Why use LG Genuine filter? They provide cleaner water with LG's dual filtration system. The first filter layer primarily filters out larger particles. Second, the carbon filter removes additional particles, delivering cleaner, filtered water. Let's see the difference LG Genuine filters can make. In the filtration test, LG Genuine filters provide cleaner, filtered water compared to non-genuine filters. They are also NSF certified, ensuring safety and quality. For yourself, your family, experience safe and cleaner water you can trust with LG Genuine water filters. Using non-genuine filters can cause leaks or damage your refrigerator.